So the Delhi government has started COVID tests for all the journalists who have been working on field. They've been reporting from the field. So I have been to few places like quarantine facility set up for the migrant workers and also the shelter home where they've been kept. So considering that, though I am totally asymptomatic, but still, since I've been to some risk area, I should get myself tested as well. So I am heading towards this facility which has been set up by the Delhi government for testing all journalists. This is the place where all journalists are being tested. As you can see, there's police being deployed and journalists are entering the place to get themselves tested here.
दरअसल हम जर्नलिस्ट अपनी ड्यूटी आवर में बहुत सारी जगह पर जाते हैं, तमाम तरह के हॉट स्पॉट भी जाते हैं, मार्केट में जा रहे हैं, आप अलग अलग लोकेशंस पे जाते हैं, तो कहीं ना कहीं बैकअप माइंड में आपके दिमाग में ये चल रहा होता है कि हम तो ठीक है ना, क्योंकि लौट के जब शाम में आप घर जाते हैं, आप अपने बच्चों के पास जाते हैं, तो मन में एक सेंस ऑफ इनसिक्योरिटी होती है कि पता नहीं सब कुछ ठीक है या नहीं है। तो ऐसे में ये क्लियर होना ज़रूरी है, खास करके मुंबई वाले एपिसोड के बाद दिल्ली में मौजूद हर जर्नलिस्ट के मन में यही सवाल चल रहा था।
My number is after 25 people. I'm waiting here to get waiting for my turn to be tested. Some of the journalists are worried about the results, and some of them are taking as whatever will happen.
प्रॉपर तरीके से चेकअप हो रहा है और अच्छे तरीके से चेकअप। और सबसे बड़ी बात है जो एक सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग बनी रहनी चाहिए, उसका भी खास तौर पर ध्यान यहाँ रखा जा रहा है। काफी दिनों से फील्ड रिपोर्टिंग कर रहे हैं, जब से कोरोना शुरू हुआ है तभी से कर रहे हैं। हिदायत दी गई है कि जैसे हमने भी टेस्ट कराया तो 2 दिन तक हमें खुद को क्वारंटाइन करके रखना है और 2 दिन बाद हमें फील्ड में आना है, 2 दिन के अंदर हमारी रिपोर्ट आ जाएगी।
Are you tense? Well, I'm not really tense, but of course I'm not looking forward to getting 14 days quarantine or 28 days quarantine, because that would of course bring my life to a standstill where I've been going out and reporting. But nonetheless, whatever be the result, I have to accept it. So I've made up my mind for that. So the entire testing process took at least 10 to 15 minutes. Before they took the swab, they actually wrote all the details, name, place, address, phone number, whether I've traveled anywhere in past 1 month or not, and what are the places I've been. It is no more just about foreign travel. They also ask whether I've been anywhere in the country as well. So they have written all those details in a piece of paper which was handed over to the person who was collecting swab, and the swab collection process took hardly 1 minute. After collecting all my details, the doctor advised me to stay at home, which means a home quarantine for next 2 days till the time my results are out.